All right, so you said you're bored, sis. Not a problem. Let's do this easy DIY. I'm gonna take some wall decals and this desk pad from IKEA and turn it into this. Ooh. Now, I do have a part 1. It is time to refresh this one. This one's a little dirty, but if you want to see part 1, click the link in the bio. But see how dirty it is? Ew, it's time to refresh it. So I'm gonna take off all of the decals, and the reason why I love using decals from the Dollar Tree is because they're so easy to peel off. So I'm gonna peel all of them off, and then I'm gonna clean off the mat. Now, this DIY is budget friendly. The desk pad from IKEA is $4.99, and then the decals from the Dollar Tree are $1.25. They have so many different kinds of decals. You can go to different Dollar Trees as well to get the decals that you want. And that's pretty much what I did. I went to different Dollar Trees because some Dollar Trees have more than others. But I just piled up a bunch that I liked, and a lot of the designs that I do on my desk pads, I freehand. So this one in particular was just like inspired for Paris. I think I just used 2 different ones. I used like the Paris pack and another one that had like some abstract designs like a sun or something, but I just combined them both and just created this type of design. Now, once again, if you want to see the full tutorial, the link is in my bio once again, and also showing the removal process and starting anew. To clean this, I probably could have just used some basic soap and water like Dawn, but I wanted to be bougie and use the pink stuff to get all that deep residue off. Now that my canvas is blank, it is time to get creative. I am the creative gem after all. So like I said before, I went to the Dollar Tree, found some decals that kind of aligned with what I was looking for. They do have a lot of kiddish ones, so I had to go to a few Dollar Trees, and also I used the peel and stick tiles. Now, you can also use these for multiple projects like I did. So I used it on these IKEA Alex drawers, and then I also put it on this like a laptop desk. If you want to see those DIYs, the link is in the bio. I definitely encourage you to take a look at those videos and get those views up for me, guys. And don't forget to subscribe as well. All right, so the design I'm thinking of, I'm going to use these tile decals, the wall decals, and also this contact paper. And like I said, I like to play around. The best bet is before like sticking it onto the desk pad, I recommend maybe like cutting out your letters or cutting out your like shapes or sizes or what have you, and just kind of laying it out and planning how you want everything to look. It is removable, but it's best just kind of plan it out, and you don't have to peel it up and peel it back off. I guess my theme for this was like soft gold luxury. Not really sure. I just honestly did what I felt. And sometimes that's the best way. Clap for the heavyweight champ, me. I'm a creative gem, glee. I don't know, y'all. So here we go. Here is the finished product. I love how this turned out. It was so simple to do. And this it took like what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Not even that long, to be honest. You can take as long as you want, but it doesn't take that long. And it's affordable, y'all. It's so easy to do. And like I said, I use this for putting it like near my desk area. So when I do my makeup or if I'm lotioning up, everything drops on the mat and doesn't get on the countertop. Nothing stains. Even so, I just wipe it away with the pink or Dawn, whatever you like. And yeah, and like I said, you can peel off the decals and do a totally different design. You can do this every season. You can make this as a gift, whatever you like. All right, so that pretty much concludes my video. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification to get more creative videos like this. I have a lot more to see on my channel, so make sure you check them out after this one. In addition, show me some love, y'all. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year, so make sure you hit the subscribe button before you leave. All right, see you in the next video. Take care.